Stand up straight. How many times have you heard that throughout your life? It might seem like a small thing, but good posture plays a big role in how you feel and move every single day. Posture refers to how you hold your body when you're sitting, standing, or moving. Good posture means your bones and muscles are in alignment, letting your body work efficiently and minimizing stress on your joints. Think of your body like a building. A strong foundation leads to a stable structure. Good posture is that foundation. It supports your spine, which is like the central beam holding everything together. When your posture is off, it's like having cracks in the foundation. Over time, this can lead to pain, stiffness, and even injuries. But good posture isn't just about avoiding pain. It can also boost your energy levels, improve your breathing, and even make you feel more confident. When you stand tall and open, you project an image of strength and self-assurance. So next time you hear that familiar phrase, stand up straight, remember that it's not just about appearances, it's about taking care of your body from the inside out. Let's face it, modern life often feels like a recipe for bad posture. We spend hours hunched over computers, scrolling through our phones, or slumped on the couch. All this sitting takes a toll on our bodies, leading to tight chest muscles, weak back muscles, and a forward head posture. It's no wonder that back pain is one of the most common health complaints today. But it's not just our sedentary habits that are to blame. Stress, heavy bags, and even the shoes we wear can all contribute to poor posture. When we're stressed, we tend to tense our shoulders and hunch over, further exacerbating postural issues. Carrying heavy backpacks or purses on one shoulder can also create muscle imbalances and strain our backs. The consequences of poor posture go beyond just aches and pains. Slouching can restrict our breathing, making it harder to take deep, full breaths. It can also affect our digestion and even impact our mood. Studies have shown a link between poor posture and feelings of sadness and fatigue. So, while it may seem harmless, ignoring your posture can have far-reaching effects on your overall health and well-being. Good posture isn't about standing stiffly at attention. It's about finding a comfortable, balanced alignment that supports your body's natural curves. Imagine a plumb line running down the side of your body. In ideal posture, this line should pass through your earlobe, shoulder, hip, knee, and ankle. When standing, keep your feet hip-width apart with your weight evenly distributed. Engage your core muscles slightly, as if you're bracing for a gentle hug. Relax your shoulders down and back, feeling your chest open up. Keep your head level with your chin slightly tucked in. Avoid locking your knees. Sitting for long periods can be tough on your posture, but a few adjustments can make a big difference. Choose a chair that supports your lower back and allows your feet to rest flat on the floor. If necessary, use a pillow or rolled-up towel to support your lower back. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your head level, just like when you're standing. Improving your posture doesn't require drastic measures. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference over time. Start by becoming more aware of your posture throughout the day. Check in with yourself regularly and make adjustments as needed. Set reminders on your phone or use sticky notes to prompt yourself to sit up straight. Incorporate movement into your day. Take frequent breaks from sitting to stand up, stretch, and walk around. This will help to counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting and keep your muscles loose. Strengthen your core and back muscles with targeted exercises. Plank poses, bridges, and rows are all great options for improving postural strength and stability. Even a few minutes of exercise each day can make a difference. Pay attention to your sleeping position. Sleeping on your side with a pillow between your knees can help to keep your spine aligned. Avoid sleeping on your stomach, as this can put strain on your neck and back. If you experience persistent pain or discomfort, don't hesitate to consult a physical therapist. They can assess your posture, identify any underlying issues, and develop a personalized plan to address your specific needs. Remember, good posture is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent with your efforts, and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, happier you.